Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be a kind of Sankranti vlog because actually planning for making a video of Sankranti, but I was running out of time, so I actually didn't got time to do a video separate. But I just thought of vlogging this few moments and few things so that I'll help you getting understand the festival more. So yeah, actually I have got ready. If you can see, I have worn a blue sari and I have got ready for the puja because in morning on the Sankranti day we have a puja. I'll probably shoot the puja how it is. So yeah, we have the puja. So basically today we have our haldi kumkum, and the haldi kumkum is basically for about 15-20 days in which you can keep it, but as we didn't have time due to some things, so we just thought of having the haldi kumkum today itself on the Sankranti day. So probably even I will vlog that. And yes, I'm actually getting ready with nothing. I just have this if you can see the shimmery powder on my face, a bit of compact, no, a bit of foundation and a bit of lipstick, and this is the nose pin which I'm loving at the moment. Typically in Maharashtrian we don't have this kind of nose pin. We have a different one which I'm going to wear in evening, but this is something which was new and I just thought of picking it up and wearing for morning puja. So I'm loving the sari color. It's so wonderful because this border is actually enhancing that blue shade. Okay, so what I was telling you, yeah, yesterday it was Lodi. Also we had Bhogi, which is a Maharashtrian festival, and Lodi is a Punjabi festival, I guess, if I'm not wrong, but I don't know much about Lodi. But yeah, yesterday it was a Bhogi, and on Bhogi we prepared a kind of mixed vegetable along with the bhakri, which is the roti made out of bajri. So yesterday we had that, but that day is not as special as Sankrant because today is Sankrant and we give tilgul, and we have a small tiny sugar balls which we give people, greeting them happy Sankrant, because as per Maharashtrian rule calendar. So yeah, as per Maharashtrian calendar we have this day as the New Year day. Basically 31st is not a new year for Maharashtrians or calendar. So yeah, this was the New Year day. You can see my room is quite clean today. Yeah, so what I was saying, yeah, this is a New Year day for Maharashtrians, and we celebrate it by giving tilgul and wishing good luck, wishing a very sweet life ahead. But yeah, this is again one of the famous festival of Maharashtrians. So I just thought of showing everything to you and vlogging the day. So stay tuned and keep on watching for my entire day's celebration, because today I also have Haldi Kumkum. Should I tell you something about Haldi Kumkum? Okay, Haldi Kumkum is something we actually invite all the ladies, and we put a tikka, and then we give them some gifts, some snacks, and this is basically done for the married woman and not for the unmarried woman. So in this way we bring them together, we invite them, we enjoy the moment, and we give them return gifts and we give them snacks. What is my return gift is something I'm going to show you after some time, because I'm super late for puja. So this was the kind of update of the morning. So I'll just do a puja now and I will get back to you right after that. guys, what's up? Or what are you doing right now? Right now it's 3:30 p.m. and the updates about me are I just actually have got done my bleached. If you have not checked out my bleaching video at home, bleach at home, so do check out. I will show up flash on the link somewhere. So probably check that video. That is very helpful. And what else? I got my blouse ready. Actually, it was with the tailor, and I got it stitched in a very short moment. So I just had that now. I brought it now from her. And what else? Yeah, I also got this one. Something my favorite, bling bag. So yeah, I got a bling bag for January, and it's like I want to do a video on this now. I actually got late with this parcel because my subscription had got over and I had to renew it this month. So I just got it renewed and they have sent me the parcel within 2 days. So that's great. Any else update? Yeah, I'm thinking of wearing a nail paint, but which color I'm not very sure. I'll just have to see, and out of that I'll select one. My sari is of dark green color. It's a superb dark green color. So which color will complement that shade? Go with this brown one. What do you think? Brown will go on green, will it? Yeah, I got the perfect one. I'll go with the golden one because my sari has a combination of green plus golden, so I will be doing a golden one. Hello friends, I actually forgot to show you the actual Haldi Kumkum going on because I was completely busy, but I just thought of showing you my OOTD, like outfit of the day, what I'm wearing and all my jewelry. So I'm wearing this beautiful green sari, as you can see. This one is gifted to me by my sister, and this is from Kerala. So along with this, I'm pairing beautiful green bangles, and I have my gold bangles into this and the green ones in both the hands. And after that, I'm wearing this beautiful neck piece. This is not real actually. This one is not of gold, and the other two, this one is of gold. This one is something which was gifted to me by my husband at my marriage, and the other one is my Mangal Sutra. As you can see, it's huge, but this one is of gold, and something I wear regularly. So this one is my favorite Mangalsutra because this one is of oxide and it's not kind of yellowish gold, but it's an oxide gold. So if you can see, it's very beautiful. So this is what I'm wearing in my neck, and otherwise I'm wearing these beautiful gold earrings. Yeah, this one is something which I took a few days back and I really love them. For my nose, what I'm wearing is this one. In the morning I had worn the other one which I showed you, and in the evening I'm wearing this beautiful nose pin which is typical Maharashtrian nose pin, and this one is of gold. And basically this nose pin is something every girl is being gifted by her parents at the time of marriage, because this one is an important ornament of a girl. So this is a very traditional, cultural and typical nut. It is called as nut, yeah. And this one is my favorite. I seriously love this one. Very beautiful lipstick from Sivana. I guess I'm going to do a review of that product which I actually got online, and I'm going to show you the shade and everything else of that product. But then I just thought of keeping my makeup very simple so that it won't melt down real fast. And yes, I have put the eyeshadow, a bit of goldenish eyeshadow, and I have put the mascara on, my kajal, my liner. Liner is very light, very basic. I haven't made it very huge. I've also done this hairstyle, beautiful messy bun, and I'll show you from back side. Also, I have worn a flower garland which is typically worn on these kind of occasions in Maharashtrians. So this one is very typical. So I'll quickly show you the bun and my flower garland or the accessory from back side. So keep on watching. So guys, this is something which I have gave as a return gift. This is not only a card, but yes, I have this nose pin here. If you can see, I'll probably show you from inside. But yes, firstly I got this kind of card printed, and then I got this nose pin, and then I bought this decorative bag which is usually used for giving out gifts and jewelry stuff like this. So I got this bag around for 4 rupees, and then I'll show you the card inside it. Okay, so this is the card. Bad throat. Okay, so if you can see, this is a beautiful message for Makar Sankrant, and it says it's Shubhechuk, in the sense the best wishes from, and it's my name here. So Ananya Akhil Sakre. Akhil is my husband's name. So yeah, this is the card which I got printed separately just to place in this bag, and just the kites, because Makar Sankranti is the festival of flying kites. So yeah, this is the card I got in here. Is, yeah, also I just put the thermocol balls, if you can see, just to give it a gift kind of a look. Here is the nose pin which I gave, because they were not giving a separate container for each of them, so I need to got this. So this costed me for around 3 rupees each, and yeah, this is the nose pin. I hope my camera is focusing. Let me show you. This one is having a tar which is used for pierced nose. If you can see this one, it has a lock over here. So guys, this is the other one which I got. This is something you can use even if the nose is not pierced, because it has this kind of a press tar like this, which this one you need to insert inside your nose, kind of. So even this is beautiful, just the difference is it has the pink diamond, and baki everything is just the same. So yeah, I got this one. See this mess out here. This is done by around 70 ladies. 70 ladies visited, and this one is created by them. It's looking so bad. Okay, so the function is finally over. I am tired like hell, and I forgot to show you something. This one. It's like this. I don't know if I can. I don't know how will I show this. Let me do it this way. So this is something. Okay, so this is something which is of silver, and in Maharashtrian we wear it around our waist, and actually when we kind of walk, it kind of gives this type of sound, and it's so sweet. I mean, it is so nice when the sound actually whispers around, and you know. So this is something which is again an Maharashtrian ornament, and I was wearing this today for this function because basically in an year I get a chance to wear this only once or twice in the functions like this, which are typical functions. So otherwise I don't get the chance. So I don't miss the chance of wearing such beautiful things, and I grabbed this. So I actually forgot to show you this one in my OOTD, so I just thought of showing you. And look at my makeup, it's still the same. Okay, so this was all. Now I'm going to change this heavy outfit of the day. Once again, happy Sankranti to everyone, all of my viewers, all of my subscribers, and enjoyed the day. Also let me know in the comment section below who all of you, I mean the ladies out of you, do this Haldi function and kind of celebrate this day. This one is kind of used only for the pierced nose, and it cannot be used for the nose which is not pierced. But let me tell you, I got two, one for the pierced nose and one for the girls or the ladies who have not pierced their nose. So I'll show you that also. But yes, I got this of white diamond, if you can see here. This is the ADS diamond, and this one is of good quality. So even the color and the finishing of this one is very nice. People from different caste would celebrate it differently, or I don't know how, but I would love to hear from you guys that how you celebrated your Sankranti and how you spent the entire day. Was it busy? Was it light? Or that sort of? We'll end this one here itself. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care and